Welcome to this quick tour of ChromaDriver. I'm going to show you a preview of how easy ChromaDriver is to install and begin printing. First of all, what is ChromaDriver? ChromaDriver is a new software application to print to HP, Canon, and Epson printers developed by Fineye. It's a professional level product that bridges the gap between a print driver and a full-fledged RIP. It maintains the ease of use of the driver while adding core functions that would normally require a complex RIP. It's a quick, low-cost way to be up and running, producing high-quality, color-consistent inkjet output for display graphics, photo, and proofing. ChromaDriver is available today. You can download it from our website, fineyecolor.com/ChromaDriver. It's downloadable as a fully functioning 15-day trial. Both Mac and PC platforms are supported. When we built ChromaDriver, we made sure the installation process is streamlined. The installation can be done in less than 15 minutes. No special training required. The installer takes care of everything, installing the software, printer discovery and connection, and licensing. Once the software is installed, however, ChromaDriver continues to assist with setup. First, the printer search is launched. This will detect all printers on the local network, both via Ethernet or direct USB connection. We put a lot of ChromaDriver resources in the cloud. Here, the software components are being downloaded for the specific printer. That's followed by Live Update. Live Update is our way of distributing calibrations and profiles. This library is constantly being updated and expanded. It takes all the work out of managing color and making sure your color is consistent. ChromaDriver supports Fineye's validation and Coveris's Magic Inkjet branded media. This supported portfolio includes media for proofing, photo, fine art, and display graphics. Okay, that's it. ChromaDriver is now installed and ready to go. Before we send the first print, a few things to note. ChromaDriver will launch automatically when you restart your machine. You'll know it's running by looking at this icon in the menu bar on a Mac and in the system tray on a PC. This will indicate the printer status and enable you to access the RIP queue, which I'll show later. Okay, finally to show you a quick tour of the ChromaDriver interface. ChromaDriver is simple. It's a single workflow, single printer, print-to solution. All printing begins in the native application. Here I have a file that's ready to go. As a print-to solution, all I need to do is click File, Print. And the first thing to note is that the ChromaDriver HP Z6100 printer is already selected. This printer was added as part of the installation earlier and is now a default printer. Simply print to this printer to send jobs to ChromaDriver. The second item to note is that all color management is being handed off to ChromaDriver, so you can let it take care of all the back-end color management. To continue, just click Print. After a moment or two, ChromaDriver will intercept the job. An audible notification will sound, and the ChromaDriver interface will appear. By providing a simple, standardized interface across all printer types, both PC and Mac, ChromaDriver does something few other solutions can do. It provides this easy-to-use interface that's simple to learn. You'll notice on the left is a live preview of what the job is going to look like, so your layout is flexible yet predictable. On the right are the controls you expect, providing scaling, rotation, multiple copies, etc. Media profiles that I installed earlier are available here in this dropdown. For this example, we sent one file out of Photoshop. I'm going to increase the copies to 4, and a step and repeat is made automatically, and the preview updates immediately. Increase the copies one more, and a 5th is added on the second row. Increase one more further to 6, and ChromaDriver now determines that if the files are rotated 90 degrees, all 6 can fit on the top row. Intelligent layouts on the fly. I'm going to click Submit to send this job. Next, I want to go back to Photoshop and send another job. For this job, I'm going to scale this to 150%, then set it with nesting activated. Nesting will group multiple jobs for layout efficiency and media savings. You may want to see how ChromaDriver is managing jobs like this. You can gain some insight into this with the job queue. If I click the ChromaDriver icon, I can launch it here. You can see the job is landed in the queue, and because nesting has been activated, it's waiting for another job to fulfill the media width requirement. Okay, back to Photoshop one last time to print a third job, sending a single copy, and back in ChromaDriver set the quantity to 2, and nesting is still on. Here's a perfect example of the power of ChromaDriver nesting. The row width requirement has been met with all 3 jobs now added. This begins printing with a fully optimized sheet. That's how easy, simple, and powerful ChromaDriver is. Visit finitecolor.com/ChromaDriver to download your copy.